Who are we waiting for?
The pull time.
Full time. Give Ferris
I
a
see.
test so he can call for cooldowns.
Yeah.
Your world
Got it.
teeters on the brink of annihilation. You will all bear witness to the coming of a new age of destruction.
Thanks.
Demolock.
Check.
Maximally.
Run away, little girl! Run away. The heavens
Shaman,
burn.
stop shielding the DK, we agreed on something.
Demolock in bed again. Oh, fuck's sake.
Yeah, keep going, man. It's fine. Just keep going. Spread yourself. Nice, man.
Maximally. Hand to your pet.
The heavens
Move to the other
burn.
side.
Holy careful, man.
Run away, little girl! Run
Holy
away.
said he's lagging.
Ah, man, can we just raid over this? It's too much, man. Every time somebody is lagging, bullshit. It's not gonna work like this.
Why don't they lag in fucking LOD? I don't get it. Only fucking RS. Every pull, someone lags in RS. Or they DC or they fuck up.
You will find only suffering within the realm of twilight. Enter if you dare.
One, I'm inside, I'm inside. Okay, we're gonna start moving on next step. Start moving.
Move now.
Move.
Move.
Oh, te gusta la
Stop
verga.
DPS.
Stop DPS inside.
Stop DPS.
Stop. Okay, we're gonna start moving.
Move.
You're gonna have a big problem outside because we're
Start healing outside.
Cody, are you fine?
never mind. And then
Go out.
Cody, are you fine?
Can you stop DPS out inside?
Run away, little girl! Run away. The heavens burn.
Okay, Dege, I need your handsack now. Dege, handsack.
Step outside, focus the heads.
Thanks, man.
Step outside, focus the heads. Okay, go now. Kill these small ones.
The heavens
Okay, move to the other
burn.
side. Step outside, just focus the heads again.
Drop Manatide outside.
Move.
Blind, can you innovate Gavros?
Gavro?
Yeah, the rest of shaman.
Kills.
Ed's are dying really slow. Maximally.
The heavens
To the
burn.
other side.
Dikke ting
Stop
på
inside,
cooldown
stop
if
inside. Okay, go, go. Push, push as much as
Fuck's sake, dispel me, please.
Warrior, careful, yeah?
Jenna, can you use first?
Dispelling.
Him again?
Charge.
Inferno.
Move, 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 move.
Kill the Eds.
The heavens
To the other
burn.
side. Watch out.
Face suppression on XD.
There's no priest. Sack him.
Just sack him. These
Sack
seconds.
him, sack him.
Again,
I gotta come in again.
Yeah,
We need
blind
him
let us,
help.
let us.
I'm using.
stop inside.
We need him to hold. Okay.
Okay, keep going.
Keep healing the tanks,
Use
please.
bloodlust outside. Use bloodlust outside.
Blind, can you rest the rest shaman?
The heavens burn.
Yeah, on
the
the
other
other side.
Use bloodlust outside, yeah?
We did.
Use.
Just
Okay,
keep
some up
healing
sack me
this.
now.
Second
Some
him
up sack.
hold if possible.
Some pump sack. Nice one.
Shaman drop on mana tide if you have it on out mana.
Keep going, 10%.
Keep healing the tank.
Just keep
Arrow.
healing the tank.
10
That's
no
it.
mana. No mana.
8%.
Lay on the tank.
7. Stop inside a little bit. Stop
The
inside.
heavens
Downside,
burn.
Yeah,
downside, just stop.
Move across.
Okay, stop inside a little bit. Let them keep going. Okay, push now. Ignore everything and push. Percent.
Give me master loot. Give me
Give master loot to Adria, please. Go full retard mode. Berserk in 30 seconds, guys. Go full retard mode.
Ignore everything, push the boss.
Relish this
Hard
victory,
fucking
mortals. For
19.4k. Yes, dude.
this world will burn with the master's return.
Let me
Nice man, Cody. How did you feel, Cody?
Fucking useless.
Look at him, dude. He's dead on the ground.